Don't eat my shorts, goat.
Hey, Goat, don't eat your shorts. Hey, silly.
Yeah.
And all of this for sharing, all right? Don't fight over it. Okay, give me more than that, because I mean the alpacas want some too. All right, and the alpacas want some more too. No, that's enough. There I go. Alpacas and goats and lambs. You want some more? I'm over to him. And don't fight over it, okay? Here you go. You want some carrots? I did want more carrots.
Not too bad. That's
I've done. Oh, let's see here. Be sharp knives, see here and. Oh, hello. And just wood on the ground. Done there. Here you go. I got some more carrots for you. Got some more carrots for you. There we go. Let's get some of these peppers over there. Hello. Hello. How are you today? How are you today? and the alpacas want some more. Oh, don't bite, you two. Hey, you want some carrot? Oi, hey. There you go. Good boy. Remember, this is all to share, okay? Don't fight over it, okay? You got some more cows down there. Enjoy. Enjoy. Hey, come here. Hey, boy. Come here. Hey, come here. Is that Freddy Fazbear? Ho, 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 ho. Good boy. But hey, but good boy. Good boy. I'm fine. You got this. You got some more carrots. You want some more? I might as give you some like this. Okay, here you go. Oh, so I got that. There we go. I might give one to him. There we go. Oh, what about yours? I might get one. I thought you got one. Hey, come here. I got the last one. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, sorry. No more carrots. Hello. Don't be afraid. Come out. Just me. Hello, you today. Aww. I got some grass. Hello, duckies. Oh, I was just saying hello. Donald, Duffy Duck, duckies. I got some grass for you. There we go. Hello, Salt. How are you today? Haven't seen you a while. Hey. I've never seen any rabbits in there. Hello. Hello. I might just. I got some grass for just for them. Oh, sorry. Sorry to bother you. There you go. Wait, stay in. You're not going anywhere. I just giving you some food. Enjoy your food, okay? Oh, it's kind of. Hey, come here. Hey, hello. Oh, and you must be exhausted after the big walk, right? And these dogs must be exhausted. Listen here. Oh, it's cutie. Hey, look at me. Hey. Hello. Say hello. She must be. I like birds.
Oh, cool. Do you want to get a photo of that? That's the way. Alright, do you want something to eat, Jack, or you're right?
I'm alright.
Cool. Sometimes people break up.
Yeah, you okay? Oh, you don't want it to be touched? Come on. Come on, just going to go back to my arm, okay? Huh, he actually liked the back, he didn't want to be touched again.
No, look, bang them.
He always like staying in the back. Right?
Do you want me to put him back in the cage? Or
No,
you want
I
to-
like it.
Ah,
I kind of like it though, because
Oh.
it keep me company.
very cool. It's a smart bird.
Yeah, but it is kind of smart though to keep away from danger.
Do you know what type he is? Mum should be back soon. I'm just going to call my boss.
The feather kind of ticklish.
One day you'll have a boss, Jack.
Yeah.
My boss isn't too bad. I heard that you were treating Cat bad and she kicked you out and eaten in the factory. Where do you put the doormat in the factory?
Hello.
What in the massive...
And he always asleep.
Wait. Marcus one? Oh, I was going to go, but I just thought, I can't do that shit, so I don't care. Oh, I thought you said, Even though, oh my god. No, I'll just
Oh. Oh, are you okay? Hey, how are you today, boy? How are you, cute boy? Oh.
Yeah, man.